3 special Baccarat strategies. Did you know that Baccarat was once the favorite game of James Bond? That's right. Agent 007 wasn't just about cars and gadgets. He loved playing Baccarat. And today, we're uncovering 3 special Baccarat strategies to make you feel like a pro at the table. Oh, and stick around, because we've got a James Bond-inspired bonus strategy at the end that's sure to blow your mind. Let's get started. Strategy 1. The 3-2 system. Here's how it works. You'll need 5 chips of equal value. Place the 3 chips on either the banker or player bet, your choice. Then, put the remaining 2 chips on either the banker pair or player pair. Keep repeating this process every round. But here's the fun part. You can mix and match your bets and even tweak the chip values to suit your budget. It's straightforward, flexible, and great for beginners. But hold up, the next strategy might just steal the show. Strategy 2. The 1-3-2-6 system. Don't let the numbers scare you. It's easier than it sounds. Start with a base bet size, say $2. Place a 1x bet of your chip size. If you win, move to the next number in the sequence. 3, then 2, then 6. Lose or reach the end? Go back to the beginning. Here's why this strategy rocks. Win just the first 2 rounds, and you're already in profit. Win all 4, and you'll walk away with 12 units of profit. But remember, this works best with banker and player bets since they're closer to that 50-50 odds line. Strategy 3. The 5-5 round system. Bet on the winning hand for the 5 rounds and then bet against it for the next 5 rounds. After 10 rounds, start again. When you lose, double your bet. When you win, drop back to the table's minimum bet. Ties don't count in this system, so just skip them. It's a bit like the martingale strategy, and while it's no guarantee, it's designed to help you balance losses and build small wins over time. Just keep your budget in check. Baccarat should always be fun, not stressful. Bonus James Bond strategy. Now for the bonus you've been waiting for. The James Bond strategy. Want to play like 007? Here's how. In each round, place 3 bets in a 14-5.1 ratio. For example, bet $14 on banker, $5 on player, and $1 on tie. Remember, the ratio is what matters, so adjust the amounts as needed. So, which strategy are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing Baccarat content. Ready to experience Baccarat like never before? Head to Avantage Baccarat, your go-to platform for mastering the game. Sign up now and elevate your play to the next level. Thanks for watching, and as always, play smart, play responsibly, and we'll see you in the next video.